Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix black screen of death on your iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 12 mini, or any iPhone as well. You can follow these same steps. So very first and important thing is making sure that your phone is actually charged. Many times the phone is not actually charging. You may think it is charging. To ensure that it's charging, first thing is make sure your cable isn't broken or even the wall adapter here. You need to replace them or try a different charger. And when you're charging, make sure the charge port is clean. There's no dirt, lint, or dust buildup, and it could prevent the connections from happening. So you want to make sure you charge for at least half hour before trying this step I'm going to show you. So try a different charger. Even better is that if you have a wireless charger, charge with the wireless charging. It should charge wirelessly. Again, once you charge it wirelessly or even the charger and you know for sure that it has charged, you're going to follow this sequence of steps. You're going to quickly press and release volume up, followed by volume down, and then hold down the side button until you can see something on the screen. So I'm going to show you how that's done. I'm going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I hold down the side button until I can get something on the screen, and then I let go of that side button. And this is just forcing the phone to restart itself. A really safe and simple method to do. And if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying it as many times as you need to. Don't give up after a few tries. It does work. All it does is just restarts the phone. It doesn't delete any of your data. So as long as the phone is charged and you want to try this method, and all I do is quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I hold down this side button until I can get something on the screen here. As long as the phone is charged, you'll be able to do this method without deleting any of your data. Go ahead and try it, and this will go ahead and fix it for you. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.